Hi, Mike Duran with Duran Insurance and Financial Services. I'm here today to talk to you about the truth, some of the truths about rating on insurance. You know, I get this call all the time. Hey, my neighbor has the same house and it was built in the same year. How come his rate is this and mine is that? Well, there's several factors that will come into play, but I'm going to give you the 5 main factors on home or auto that are going to affect your rate. The number 1 factor is going to be your credit. Credit is the number 1 underlier that most carriers use. They're going to use some kind of algorithm. They call it a consumer report or an insurance score or a FARA score. But in the end, it's an algorithm of things in your credit. Doesn't always mean you got great credit, you're going to get a great insurance score, or bad credit, you're going to get a bad score, but it tends to correlate. The second thing is where you live. Where you live does affect your rate. Most carriers now have such a sophisticated rating plan that they can rate all the way down to the zip code. So you could live in a very expensive zip code and your insurance could actually be higher because the total losses are going to be higher due to living in a more expensive area. Doesn't always mean it's that way, but it's literally going to be, you could be in a town where there's 2 zip codes and the exact identical house on the other side of town could be cheaper because the zip code rating factor is going to be a little different. The third thing is age of your home. Newer homes get better rates. If you have a home that's 10 years or newer, you're going to have a far superior rate than a home that's 12, 14, 15, 20 years old. Rating factors do get higher as the homes get older because they have more losses. The fourth thing is married drivers do get a better rate than single drivers. And I know it's not fair, but a lot of the carriers are going to rate you on your credit, on married, on owning a home. Statistically, they have better losses and they're going to rate the policies that way. Doesn't mean it's straight across the board, but the best rates tend to go to those type of clients. And the fifth thing, claim history. We all know about that. If you have accidents, your rates are going to go up. If you have losses on the home, your rates are going to go up. Again, most carriers have a 3-year and a 5-year discount. So if you're claim free for 3 years, you're going to get a discount. If you're claim free for 5 years, you're going to get a bigger discount. I hope these help explain to you how some of the rates are done with some insurance companies. Again, it's not across the board, but these tend to be the 5 main factors in rating of a policy. Thanks for visiting us today. If you're shopping for insurance, we'd love to have you shop with Duran Insurance Financial Services.